are you doing today?
I'm good and thank you. What about you?
I'm good, thank you too. Uh, all right, okay. So, how was your day? Have you been working?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, all right.
Yeah, actually I'm working
Mhm.
and also done my assignment actually, whatever
Oh,
you given.
wow, that is amazing. You've completed your assignments?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Which story have you written? The one that I sent earlier or the one that I sent yesterday as well?
No, no, actually I written about about the moon actually, the chance to get the
Okay.
journey of moon.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
I written actually,
Mm-hmm.
uh, yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Please send it to me and I will check and we'll send you the
okay,
feedback. All right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, great. So I'm sending we'll start with our vocabulary. I'll send you the vocabulary and then we'll take it forward. All right? Okay. Okay, just one moment here. You got it?
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, yeah. So issues that someone, teammate or colleagues
Mm-hmm.
constantly use the resource and time
Mm-hmm.
as a personal,
Okay.
not a official work actually.
Yes.
So uh, if being a senior
Mm-hmm.
manager or person of this colleague, so I would like to take a one short meeting and I will make to understand him
Mm-hmm.
about the this is not your personal property or resource. We hire to work,
Mm-hmm.
and especially company provides times and resources
Mm-hmm.
to personal access,
Okay.
but not every time you use resources and time.
Mm-hmm.
So it's affected the our actually first thing is that it's a company policy
Mm-hmm.
is that we can't work personal work
Yes.
uh, in office.
Mm-hmm.
We can't do personal work in office,
Mm-hmm.
and just you can appointment, it's fine, and you can ticket reservation ticket from the internet, yes you can use, but I can't uh, such like freelancing job.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think it's a break the rules actually, company norms.
That's right.
So definitely I will make to understand him. After that, I escalate
Okay.
to my senior and
Yes.
HRs,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. You will escalate it, but first you will make him
and
understand
this is
and
my
then.
approach. Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Okay. Have
yeah,
you ever
yeah.
had such a situation in your office?
Sometime actually, my colleague actually, one of my colleague uses personal phones
Mm-hmm.
to call some gossip with another friend. So actually, I stopped to him,
You stopped him.
and yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and actually, I make understand why डराना मतलब I mean
You kind of scared.
HR
Mm-hmm.
uh, no, yeah, scared about HR and HR watching your activities actually.
Okay.
They will find logs.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And definitely you will catch. So
Mm-hmm.
so don't don't do repeatedly.
Yes. Mm-hmm. So he understood?
Yeah.
Okay, good enough. Yeah, we can
Actually,
try.
actually it's not our job actually. All these things monitoring and this is by the HRD team actually.
Yes.
HRD or IT cell team actually.
Okay.
They 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 watch the network traffic
Oh,
and warns,
okay.
and they also block the sites if you are frequently go to this site.
Okay. Okay. All right. Yes, they do. So, does that happen when you're working from home also? No, I don't think it happens when you're working from home, right?
No, actually, we are using the VPN actually.
Ah,
VPN connection,
mm-hmm.
and so there's a lot of security,
Okay.
and there's a yeah actually if we use the resource actually just like this one I think is the
Oh,
device,
okay.
internet device,
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I
and
see.
it is
Mm-hmm.
given by the my office actually.
Oh,
When yeah, actually when it's my broadband is not working
yes.
and I can use this. So
Okay.
personally, I can I'm using my broadband.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, but when that
So
doesn't work,
actually,
then you can
company
use.
norms is that we can't. Yes, it's not work properly actually. Currently, there is no electricity, so I have started this.
Okay.
My broadband is working. Then I start.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Good enough. I think that is the right way. First, you tell them, and then later on escalate because suddenly escalating
Yes,
also doesn't look so nice.
yes, yes.
Okay. Um, another situation. Let's read. Please read. You can read aloud.
Yes. Partners. You are a partner in a business and see a great deal of profitability on the horizon.
Mhm.
However, you have been constantly falling out with your partner, and
Mhm.
because you obviously have different views on how it should be done,
Yes.
you want to part way and exclude him from any possible profit in the future.
Yes.
The best course of action would be to simply buy out his interest in his business, but you wonder if you could simply erase your partner's name from any document without his knowledge. This may stand in opposition to your ethics,
Yes.
but the vision of greater profit is also very tempting. What
Mhm.
do you do?
Yes.
Okay, so I think it's against the ethics actually.
Mhm.
So in this condition, I will break the partnership actually, and
Okay.
minimum under the minimum common program,
Okay.
and then after that, if we agree actually, I mean, I and my partners agree that
Mhm.
after we'll proceed actually, I will proceed, but before then, I can't do.
You'll not be able to do?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. But he's not willing to part ways with you. Then what will you do? He doesn't want to part ways because he knows that you'll be earning a lot of profit. Then what will you do?
Yeah, definitely. First thing, definitely, I would like to clear doubts actually, and what was the partnership, I will recall him, and what the basis of partnership, and whatever dividend we have decided,
Mhm.
uh, I will give proof.
Okay.
And however, if want to remain, uh, I mean, away, this partnership,
Okay.
then definitely I will, give whatever final dividend I will give
Mhm.
and break the partnership.
To break the partnership. Yes, I
Yeah.
think that's the best way. If you cannot work together, then it's better to part ways. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Good enough. Good enough. I think I would also do the same. All right. Now, Harish, well
Yeah.
spoken. I must say,
Okay.
well
Thank you.
spoken. Okay. Um, now, you'll be giving me a 5-minute presentation. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Just like we would give in our offices. She's gone.
Okay.
No, she
बोलना
doesn't
है
want
कुछ?
to say good afternoon. Oh, no. Okay. All right. Just as we would give at our workplaces, you're going to give a 5-minute presentation, a very formal presentation. All right.
Okay.
And the topic is this.
How to change your habits and build good habits.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm started. I proceed. Hi everybody. Thank you all of you. Have given to chance to speak about your habits, how we can change your habits and build good habits.
Mhm.
So you know, our ancestor and our parents always say, uh, get uh, early morning and sleep early evening. Sleep at night. So it's not one day job actually. Our human tendency, human minds, will work around the 21 to 41 days to make a good habit.
Mhm.
So how we can change your habit? So first thing is that whatever you do in a simpler manner and very natural way,
Mhm.
just do in a different way. Different thing. Just like if we write, and I'm habit of writing a left hand,
Mhm.
so try to write with your right hand. Okay,
Mhm.
just so you can change your habits actually.
Okay.
Let's one take example. If you want to get up early, you usually get up around 8 or 9 o'clock. Okay, if you want to get up just 6 o'clock,
Yes.
so just before sleeping and recite some words like I have to mm, get up early morning in 6 o'clock. Definitely, one day after 2 day, uh, you awake around 6 o'clock,
Hmm.
and your body clock allowed to awake around 6 o'clock because your subconscious mind knows about that. You have to wake up. So, so this is a one thing, and we can uh,
Mhm. Oh, I think I've lost you. Harish, are you there? Harish, I can't hear you.